Exercise 3.1, question number 5. Following table shows the point of each player score in 4 games. So find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. So we find here that player A has scored 14 points in game 1, 16 in game 2, 10 in game 3 and 10 in game 4. So to find out mean of player A. So mean points of player A we can find by adding up all the points, that is 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 divide by total number of games played, that is 4. So what do we find here is that 30 and 20, 50, 50 by 4, we find it is 12.5. So A's mean points of player A are 12.5. Now, question number 2. To find the mean number of points per game for player C, would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? So the answer is that we have to divide it by 3 only. Why? Because player C has played only 3 games. Player C has played only 3 games, that is game number 1, game number 2 and game number 4. Game number 3 he did not play, so we cannot count it in finding out the mean for player C. Now part 3 is that B played in all 4 games. So how would you find the mean? So for answer 3, the answer is that to find the mean of player B, we have to divide the total score. Total score we will divide by 4 because he has played all the 4 games. In one of the game he scored 0, but he played. So we write down the total score 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divide by 4. So we get here is 18. 18 divided by 4. Now we will cancel this. So we get is 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. So the mean score of player B is 4.5. We need to calculate the mean of player C also. So we write down here mean for player C will be 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 3. So we get the total of 19. Here it is 11 and 13, 24, 24 and 8. So that would be 32, 32 by 3. So if we can divide it, so what do we get is 10.6. So average score of player C is 10.6. Average player of player B is 4.5 and average point of player A is 12.5. So here we see that player A has got maximum average. So that's why we can answer that who is the best performer. So we can write that player A is the best performer.